abusia debate bi koso woni say dwa bato say dia ene obia tumi kan ya wope na wenu de debate yes debate anya debate say ebia Ghana for nkwa na yes edu election time bia na aya other countries no ebi call for debate yes etino this year ana Dr. Bawumia ebe call for debate said no unyaya ka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oti ha no so ti ha na any questions no come omo ho no mo answer omo reply omo na ya hwe ni obewi ni ana ne anim guase ebe ka no eti ensem we ana Dr. Bawumia ebe kan say o call for debate say Mahama are you ready dia ene omra.
I am looking forward to a debate with John Mahama on the economy, on the country, on the governance. But I'm afraid that he's running away from a debate, isn't it? His people say he doesn't want to debate, but he doesn't want to debate because he knows I'll expose the emptiness of his policies. He says he has a 24-hour economy that he cannot explain. It's as empty as an empty barrel. He cannot explain it. None of his people can explain it. They say they will be exporting lions and elephants.
It's Dr. Bawumia beka wewie ye no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enso te ye no. Ano no so buy no beka said no. Dr. Bawumia onya ne level no ni na gira ho no yi nsama no. Yes, it's answer emra nanado eba no. Oni ni gira ho yi nsama no debate bi ko so. Yes, but Dr. Bawumia de onya ne level enya de oni ni be gira ho no mo yi nsama no.
Bawumia doesn't deserve a debate. He is losing this election. I will not elevate him to my level and go and sit and debate him. Their campaign is failing. They have no message. And so he wants to be elevated to my level. No. I know my level.
Emra debate hun sensem ekoso o muntemu ana the certain president His Excellency Nana Ekufuado ono so de ne de eba ya na ono so say no be kan ya
mama say onye debate na enye china efise Bawumia enye ni tipen sa onye ni class me jimi who class people bia Yera Mahama wo mu a Bawumia me who class ko but the class wa ko aminim class bako aminim Yera Mahama ewomu class fifth time I say Fourth Republic 1993 nkofo enum ena Ghana fo ahye won anyonyam apegye won ababetina Beyou akese ye kunwa akese ye president kunwa no so kofo enum bako ede nyankopon amane kwa amane wie mane eno friend no ba ne nchen Yera Professor Mills nti four na aka no nipa bako pe ena Ghana fo hwe na juma so on se da bi ora o de enso ani enkoyie titsase it is say Ora Mahama also wo class bia na yes a class of one no kwa no was a class room na enye class a mepese Bawumia eba be kasa class no the b Bawumia nyakopom Emma Coin no ofro konwa no 7 January obeto aso bio
abusia debate hun sensema ekosi ya da sorry ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aba be put some questions bi e won Twitter page won ne your friend X no was questions we or the call Emma Dr. Bawumia answer questions we na questions or the man no eye mako 5 na me feel say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ose ono de Dr. Bawumia onya ne level it one ni gina ho eyi nsema no so why this question na me bisa me ho question we ana say o kire say tena one ne betina ho wait na debate no a start no eno na on pa na because where the can back say or no nya level interfere eba and say why these questions. Yes, it's no ama in some way questions we course will be the so. All right, and so honoma Dr. Kumawood Bawumia who questions ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the man no or no so be reply no. Yes, no reply or the man no there or no so man no questions Marco 46 46 you 46. Wow, Charlie. Easy. All right. Send your answer one. Yanko kind questions no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Edema Dr. Kumawood Bawumia no. Na yewia na afi ya tiasimo ewo Dr. Kumawood Bawumia so questions ni. Yanko kind. Questions no. Enie ohwe atifi asem a okọ asori ayesi atifi asem. Ohwe atifi asem a ya watro o say only 5 questions for Bawumia to answer truthfully. Yes, it's way questions here. John Dramani Mahama Edema Dr. Kumawood Bawumia. Or say, why has the cedi deteriorated in value from 4 Ghana cedis to $1 in 2016 to almost 17 Ghana cedis to $1 today? It's way a first question you dekan. John Dramani Mahama Edema Dr. Kumawood Bawumia. Question number 2 no any or say, why has Ghana's public debt rising from 120 billion Ghana cedis in 2016 to 763 billion Ghana cedis in 2024 with you as EMT chair? Wow. Chale, Ghana yedi kapao billions you 763 billion Ghana cedis. Wow. That is the way there times 3 and times 4. All right. It is a shema. Number 1 no. John Dramani Mahama bisa Dr. Kumawood Bawumia. Or say Argentina cedi no in 2016 na cedi way 1 cedi na 4 Ghana cedis but abedu 17 cedis. We the attend say a good question we be sam. But do na so be ka say MPP for no so be ka say say we see economy. Yes, we calculate to the whole Africa. Ghana em say ye toso 4 say 5 ye cedi ye currency so pa sana eja e bia MPP for so be ka and NDC for so almost won your beka. It's no o ka say o kan dia ensem bebre. And question number 2 no so no na John Dramani Mahama bisa Dr. Kumawood Bawumia say adentina in 2016, na yakaya de 120 billion Ghana cedis. But 2024 we ekano ababe arise ababe do 763 billion Ghana cedis. Sikawe yaboni billions intino wani su hwanya se yakasi nya botre ne yachiche sikawe ma o menua ebeje wonsam billions ebeje wonsam etumito range over we akaya deal it range over mako sa almost 100 and something eka Ghana yade no. All right, it's question number 3. Or say, why did inflation rise to its highest in the 4th Republic of 50% under your watch as EMT chair? Charlie, serious questions now. I say John Dramani Mahama edigu na kwemu Emma Dr. Kumawood Bawumia no. Any questions kitu awo. Bawumia need to answer all these questions. Yes. Because questions questions ya emuodu. Questions emu. Na questions ni nso nyina ya no kre. Questions ni na ya no kre. Yes. Yeah, he deserves to answer all these questions. Yes. Okay. Yantoaso. Question number 4. Or say, why did you borrow more than 42 billion Ghana cedis from the Bank of Ghana and cause the central bank to post its heaviest loss of 60 billion Ghana cedis? Charlie, Tuesday pa serious politics yanka mu nsema nkyere wi a chairman wo de bia unura details and some she ho no mo the questions we your questions ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edi guna kwem ama Dr. Kumawood Bawumia. Yes, we your questions ya koma MPP for afi yanko question number 5 your last question no John Dramani Mahama last question or say, Why have you run away from giving lectures on the economy? Why has the West economy disappeared from your lexicon? These are good questions. You see, na anka minyaya onka questions way. Yes, anka say Dramani Mahama or granted for debate so to be called na kwa motenase nanka questions are we were not their mawe na we near we so not their mawe anka good pa you good but questions and that's omokwa wo na ebebu se bi so omo questions so dabi enya wo you will be obedient on time it will the mawe na we their mawe we the mawe na we their mawe kanu na kebeye de. All right, and the question say ana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edigu na kwem ema Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia na yamponi yankwohwe Bawumia so reply ono so edema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bawumia so be putu some questions bi but answer na no ono so ka asem bi o chena asem bi answer na ono so de ne questions ema Mahama etimumie nko Bawumia de no so na yentie or say questions for Mahama. Serious, we be gathering group I don't mudi and I have just read your questions posed to me by former President Mahama. I would have thought he would be man enough to face me in one-on-one debate for the Ghanaian public to assess our respective policies, achievements, and visions. He should not hide behind these flimsy questions to avoid a debate. Come for a debate and I can ask the moderators to ask me these 5 flimsy questions. But I have many more substantive questions for you. Charlie, this is serious. And some Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia person or children and say, or say, any questions are His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ediaguna Kwemunano, or no de Nenisunidia, a Kitu Ebimano. Now, Onaya Nanka, One Mahama, Etiho 101. Na kwa catch moderators moderators omo baby sa questions wa catch them say no akwabakwa ko huni secret no catch them say no questions ya John Dramani Mahama epese obisa no 5 questions na kwa the bema moderators say mumbisa me wo ye Mahama na nkasa nanim hey guy into the sense na Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ono so tifia asem no odigu hono now Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia so the some questions bi egu na kwem no no questions no odigu na kwem de questions no mako 50 hey when I say 40 60 questions ni 50 Charlie serious 50 questions ana Bawumia so digu na kwem ema John Dramani Mahama enunti no obi na kan asan without wasting much time ono so questions yambubo bi so 10 time na yetam ni yambubo bi so 10 time na afi won so akwa read ni aka no it first question odigu na kwem o say can you name any broad-based social intervention policy that you implemented in Ghana as president? Wow. It's question number 1. Question number 2 no so I say why did you run advertisement against free SHS? This is serious. All right. Question number 3. It's 2 no na mediama no. It's yanko 3 no so. I say if you think your economic management was so good, how come we experienced more than 4 years of doomsday under your government? Doomsday ne dey e kamia I say enu pene koya adeswa sisi ame no ka say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so because obiama na no so a onya sempapa bia enka doomsday na hey serious obi obema na no so bia no doomsday Mahama time doomsday but I say no kremom but mama yanto aso question number 4 no so no obisa no say or say why did the banking system almost collapse under your government? Hey in person my politics were because Bawumia na obisa Mahama sano the same thing happened to you guys in person my politics were say. All right, questions in the doorson I say why did you cancel teacher training allowances? Yes, I say why did you cancel nursing training allowances? Why did the national ambulance service virtually collapse under your government? Why was your government unable to create even a quarter of the jobs that our government has created? Seriously, how many nurses, teachers, police officers, immigration officers, and service personnel did you recruit as president? Charlie, seriously. All right, your face has said question I'm di chat one question number 10 questions no open 2 mako 50 but you the basic 10 I say why did you implement the 3-month pay policy for teachers under the government? But I think say where your question says see bisa na. All right, ebusia one kasa our comment section. I say yes. I'm just here KwakuSmart. I have KwakuSmart TV. Make sure so be like it. Now so follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now notification bell on so send me drop video be on sa able to me Akabi. I'm just so KwakuSmart. My crowd.
All right, I will see how many going that I'm going in. I'm right now. They're live. KwakuSmart TV. They're coming. They are one day.
Enuti me kanfo one touch plumbing work ama omo nkwa na betimi aboa esan se omo de omo ye niam ahoro bebre omo ni muti afi nso omo ye adwuma afi bo ensai omo ye adwuma bi te se shower and WC fixing, toilet repair, leak repair, pipe repair, sewer repair, drain cleaning and afi nso water heater services. Omo ye niam ahoro bebre ani jesam ne se wusi abronsan na se to aso 5 6 even 10 kra no na se opese wodi polytank ekosi suru hono ma minua don't worry they are ready to do for you simple ma wo mokra se bia wo pipe na ewo fie hono mo no wo yo bia unta nyusu na so still wo bills no eba kese akese enkasa bebre one touch ombeboa ombeba behwehwemu ayama omo yenso afebo afenso se bia water tank no ensuo na ewo mu no wo tumu se unta nyusu ni bebre na so enche na asa leak bi na ekoso wo baabi nkoyi one touch omso ombeboa simple omtubo ho omo ye ne ma huro bebre o de frɛ omo number no ana egu ho no mo no baabi a wo bia Ghana ha ehemfa they are ready some beba be service so simple omanum bo fofofo fala omanum so tse one touch KwakuSmart de enema pankwa na me recommend ama one touch oma ba ama ye ho atoye frɛ wo me recommend ama aya no abomi di se KwakuSmart page so na hu no ombe cha 20% bonus one touch ya na oma ba ama plumbing ho adwuma bia aye fala also a wo hwɛ me a wo nsi wudan me sha wo boss afi sese na wo nso wasi wudan na wa frɛ one touch I'm just here KwakuSmart. Thank you for watching me, my crowd.